Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samantha, joining you on behalf of MarineMax here in Westbrook, Connecticut, where the Connecticut River meets Long Island Sound. Today, I am calling all fishermen aboard as we explore a 250 Outrage from none other than Boston Whaler. This boat is so powerful. She has a top speed of 52 miles an hour with a 213-mile range, and believe it or not, she gets up on plane in just about 5 seconds. Let's take a closer look at the engines. This boat is packed with twin 225 Mercury Verado outboards in this beautiful white color. The swim ladder is just back here off the starboard side of the stern and is made out of stainless steel. Boat is ideal for both cruising and fishing. You've got some seating back here in the stern with all your rod holders here on both the port and starboard side. You have your live well, some cup holders, and you'll notice that we've got some JL speakers, which means that you can listen to music, play the radio, and do what you need to do to relax while you're waiting for the fish to bite. Let's check out the cockpit. The seating on this boat is really comfortable throughout, and I'll talk more about the seating in the bow a little bit later, but I wanted to show you up here in the cockpit, you can either have the seat up like this and use it as a leaning post, or you can just put them down and have a comfortable seat. This boat is loaded with all Raymarine technology and a Mercury vessel view. Down here, you have a little compartment to put all of your things like keys and wallets, and it does lock to keep everything safe and secure. And you've got another compartment up here. Right here at the throttle, you've also got your trim tabs so you can stay in control while you welcome up to 11 other adults on board with you. I want to show you the head. It's really spacious. And what I like about this door is it comes with a really powerful magnet so you can hold it open. I'll climb inside and show you how big this is. There's a little step in here so that you can easily get in and out. And as you can see, I've got plenty of room to come down here. There's a little bit of room for storage. I can do what I need to do. I've got a nice little window back here for ventilation, just in case. And you can also control the radio from in here. To give you a point of reference, I'm 4'11", and I've got at least another foot of clearance down here. And don't forget, there's a light, so you won't get lost. Let's look at the bow. I'm working with all different types of boaters. I hear it all the time. Samantha, we love to fish, but sometimes we want to relax. Well, the 25 Outrage has everything you need. With these gorgeous low-profile bow rails, it gives you the security to hold on to something when you're underway or going through chop without raising the bars above the deck. This boat has a really nice tan interior. And just under here, even more storage space. Now this area is self-bailing, so some of my boaters like to put their drinks and snacks up here, and this is just where everyone comes to relax. You'll also notice down here that there is a little compartment to snap in a table. So if you want to relax, have some drinks, enjoy the sun, this is definitely the perfect place to do so. Also, right back here, we've got this windshield. We've got this windshield wiper that's absolutely huge. You can open up that little window up here just in case it gets a little bit foggy because, you know, sometimes that can happen. And you've also got some cup holders up here too. Really everything you need to just rest comfortably. And this interior is really, really durable. You know, a lot of people that buy Boston Whalers, they're welcoming the whole family aboard. Kids, grandkids, parents, and especially pets. This kind of interior is definitely durable enough to handle your entire family. With the anchor and windlass and this fabulous hardtop, this boat is really a superior choice for anyone who wants to cruise around, run around the deck while they reel in their catch, and also relax. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or boats like it, I hope you'll feel most welcome to join us here Monday through Saturday from 9 to 5 and Sundays from 10 to 4 at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut. Once again, from MarineMax in Westbrook, my name is Samantha. Thank you so much for joining me. And as always, I'm wishing you and yours happy and safe boating. We'll see you soon.